There's some pretty grim research out there. What have studies found?
So they found that basically there's all sorts of germs in your water bottles, especially your reusable ones. Bacteria, viruses, different types of fungus, including mold, and sometimes some yeast.
Do you think that people kind of think, well, it's only water in there, and because I'm the only one drinking it, it'll be fine?
That's exactly what they think. So they think, I don't have to clean it very often because it's only water. But if you think about what touches your bottle, number one, your mouth, which has bacteria in it. Number two, there are mold spores in the air around us, so they can settle if you don't clean your bottle very well. You might share your bottle with somebody else. Apparently 50% of people who drink from a bottle share it with their partner or somebody they know. So you've got their germs going in there too. So there's a bunch of things. And look, the research has been really clear. The different types of bacteria in there are way more than you would find on your toilet seat, so there's lots of things going on in that water.
Wow. Michelle, are there some containers that are better than others?
Yeah, so there have been lots of studies looking at different types of containers. So the one that comes out the best is a steel container with a really nice open lid, so you can get into there, clean it really easily. Bacteria doesn't seem to stick as well to the steel. The worst type of container is a plastic container, especially the one with mixed types of plastic with the special little straws here and the attachments there that are very hard to clean, or with this little mouthpiece. Again, it's plastic, it's hard to clean. So plastic ones are definitely more difficult. They harbour bacteria, but the research says that steel open-top bottles are much better.
There are a lot of different trains of thought about how to clean the bottles, white vinegar, baking soda, lots of TikTok science doing the rounds too. What is officially the best way to clean them?
Yeah, so ideally you're supposed to use soap, a dish soap and hot water every single day if you can, using a bottle brush if you have one to get into all the nooks and crannies, if you have straws in there. If though you're a little bit lazy and you forget about it, then actually the white vinegar is not just an old wives' tale. You put white vinegar into your bottle, fill it up with hot water and leave it overnight for 24 hours. It's actually quite antibacterial, although if you have a plastic bottle, your water might taste of vinegar. So good for cleaning, might not be great if you want taste. Also, if you have a nice open mouth here, you can put it into your dishwasher. Most dishwasher powders and tablets have a bleach in there. That's going to be really good to clean. But the most important part is actually the drying process. You have to make sure you dry your bottle really well, because it's the moist environment that is in your bottle that attracts and helps those bacteria and mold to grow.
And before you go, what sort of consequences are we talking? Is this a biggie?
So it's a real biggie if you're immune compromised, if you're older, or if you have young children. You might not be able to defend yourself. You might get gastro, you might get some sort of stomach bug. And most people blame the food that they've eaten because they've got a sore tummy, but actually it could be the water. Also, if you are sensitive to mold and having mold in your water bottle, and I hate to say this, but this water bottle does have mold right in the straw here, it can increase those symptoms, those allergy symptoms that you have if you are sensitive to mold. So not detrimental for those of us who are walking around relatively healthy, but for those who are immune compromised, it can be a problem.
Thanks, Michelle. Great to see you.
Thanks.